putting in a new shower diverter, and I need to drill holes into some porcelain tile. To do that, you need to get some diamond coated drill bits. So here are some. This one, the red one, costs about 18 bucks at Home Depot. I got this set of 5 from Harbor Freight, probably 6 bucks. And I got a set of 6 of them here from Amazon for like 6 bucks. And this one from Home Depot is Milwaukee. It's an old, reputable company. It's got a hexagon end here that fits nicely into the drill. These are rounded, and these from Amazon also are rounded at the end. Rounded, which I thought I must not have the right drill, but it turns out when I put them in the drill, they work just fine. To drill holes through hard surfaces, you're going to need to spray water. You're going to want to spray water. You can do it without water, but it'll burn up your drill bits. This one I did without water, and I don't know if you can see that, but it's completely smooth on the end. It totally ruined it. Spray bottle. This one's my wife's. I'm not supposed to use it. Step away from the water. Julie's water keep out. So, of course I use it. I need to drill a hole right here. And so what you do is start this at an angle. I kind of brace up against the wall, like so I kind of brace up against the wall like this, and I start with the bottom edge underneath, and then I tilt up to see if the mark I made is going to be in the center of this. And then on a low speed, I just start putting, with the edge here, a groove into the tile. It's going to want to move on you, so that's why you want to put your hand braced against the wall. Start drilling, and then once you get it up like that, then you can take your water bottle. It's not going to fly around on you, and you can take your water bottle and help keep the bit cool, and also wash away all the grit and grime that'll make this bit old really fast. So right now I've got a circle groove all the way around it, and it'll stay put pretty easily, so I'm just going to keep it on a low RPM and then lightly hit it with water. So as you can see, it makes pretty clean holes, and like I said, this is just a cheap drill bit. Super cheap. You don't need to spend a lot of money on them, obviously. Works just great. Got it done. So easy with the right tools.